Hey guys, so we're going to talk about how we painted and how we did everything in the RV single-handedly and nobody helped. It was just me and my boy here, the furriest boy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking to you about how we primed and painted inside of our RV. We're going to show you step by step how we done it, and what we used and how long it took, basically.
Really long, forever, never ended.
No, it was an entire weekend, so it was like 3 days. Or was it a long weekend? It was either 3 or 4 days that it took. So the first thing that we had to do when getting ready to prime and paint was sand. So we used an electric sander, or Derek here used an electric sander to do it. And we sanded down the cabinets, right? The trim up here around the slide out.
The only thing we didn't sand was the walls.
Yeah, we didn't sand the walls because they were textured. Yeah. So first, the first thing we did was sand everything down that was like wood that we knew we had to sand down. The second thing that we did was we primed everything. We used Kills primer, and when I tell you we primed everything, we literally primed everything. Absolutely everything from top to bottom, besides the floor.
And the primer goes on really bad, so when we were done priming everything, it looked so bad. And I was like,
it's just thin. It's not thick like paint.
I was like, oh my god, what have we done? We ruined this entire RV. What have we done?
We had a moment of, this looks terrible. So yeah, that took the longest. And then after that, we painted. Decided to get pretty decent paint. We got the Behr Premium Plus Ultra, and it was stain blocking, and it was also paint and primer in one. So even though we primed everything, we used the paint and primer paint. That's a mouthful to say.
To try to stick to one coat as much as possible, but
no, we
literally
still needed
nothing. Literally nothing was one coat.
No, we needed two coats of everything. So 2 coats on the wall, 2 coats on the cabinets.
And I absolutely hate painting, and I'm really bad at it. And I hate painting.
When you see Derek painting in these clips, A, know he's miserable. B, know he's not doing very well. And C, know that we probably had to paint over it.
It looked like I just started finger painting the wall at one point.
But at least he tried to help. That's all that matters.
Brady got mad at me because I was like, look, I made a turkey. It didn't happen.
No, it didn't. It really didn't. But I wasn't going to call you out on it like you do to me, so.
I don't do that. You're a liar. She's lying right now.
Anyway.
Just kidding.
So we get a lot of questions on our Instagram about what we use to paint. So the green that we got for our bottom cabinets was called Oregano Spice, and this is all in Behr paints. Then we got a super bright white for the trims, and when I say trim, it's the wood part of our slide outs, and then also the top cabinets, and then like trim around the wall, which was called White on White. And I think that was I think the paint color White on White was is it Gildan? Yeah. Glidden? I always get those mixed up.
Yeah, Gildan's the shirt.
Yeah, you're right. Gildan's the shirt. That's why I make and sell shirts. So I get those two mixed up a lot. So Glidden paint was White on White, but they color matched it into Behr. So whatever the thing was to that. The wall white was an off-white with a hint of gray in it, and it's called Painter's White. And all of the paint was eggshell.
Oh.
Because that's like the gloss.
Oh.
We originally bought flat. Derek's dad was like, no, don't do flat paint. Because Derek and I like matte colors. We don't like things to be super shiny. But he was like, you don't want that with paint because you won't be able to wipe it down or clean it. And yeah. So we went with eggshell, which has a very small shine to it. It's not super high gloss. So that's what we did.
I really think it has like any shine to it.
I mean, I don't think so either, but it does compared to the flat.
And what were you trying to do?
Show like what it looks like, but I guess not.
Yeah.
We'll have an RV tour video coming up after we show all of our how-tos of our renovation. So stay tuned for that to see it all put together. Anyway, that's how we primed and painted inside of our RV. Yeah, hope you guys liked it. If you did like it, make sure you give us a thumbs up so we know you liked it, or else how will we know? We just wouldn't know, would we? We'd be left in the dark, and that's not cool to do to your friends. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe by clicking the Fetts right here in the lower corner of this video. And it's over here. And if you haven't done so, make sure you hit the notification bell and you will be notified every time we upload a video so you don't miss one.
Say subscribe to our channel. Say subscribe to our channel.
You think? Okay guys, until next video.
Peace!
We love you.
Bye.